Good evening, students. Welcome back to our BSc first year physics class, in which we are discussing about the mathematical methods in physics. In last lecture, we discussed about the scalar triple product and their numericals. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to extend that topic and we are going to solve or we are going to prove a vector triple product. First, we are going to define what is by vector triple product, then we can prove a cross b cross c is equal to a dot c b minus a dot b c, that we have to prove. Okay, let us start. Now, in scalar triple product, if we take the scalar triple product, the final answer is in a scalar quantity, but exact opposite to the scalar triple product. In case of vector triple product, if we take the cross product of three vectors, in that case we are getting vector quantity. Okay, let a, b and c are the three vectors. Then the vectors a cross b cross c and a cross b cross c are called as vector triple product. If we take the cross product of vector a with a vector b cross c, or if we take the cross product of vector a cross b with vector c, is same. This mathematical formulation of a cross b cross c or a cross b in cross c is nothing but a vector triple product. But it is clear that in general a cross in bracket b cross c is not equal to a cross b cross c. How? That we will show that. Note that a cross b cross c is a vector perpendicular to both vector a and b cross c, and also b cross c is perpendicular to both vector b and c. It means what? If we are talking about the b cross c only, in that case b cross c, cross product of b with c gives another vector, that is resultant vector of b and c. That resultant vector is perpendicular to the vector b and c, vector b and c. If we take the cross product of vector a with b cross c, that resultant vector is also perpendicular to the vector a as well as perpendicular to the vector b cross c, vector b cross c. Thus vector a cross in bracket b cross c lies in a plane containing the vector b and c. A cross in bracket b cross c, b and c are coplanar, b and c are coplanar. Now we have to show that if we take the cross product of three vectors a cross in bracket b cross c, it gives a dot c into b minus a dot b into c. That we have to prove. Let us vector a is equal to a1 I plus a2 j plus a3 k, vector b is equal to b1 I plus b2 j plus b3 k, and vector c is equal to c1 I plus c2 j plus c3 k. Then first my aim is to find out b cross c. If we take the b cross c, which is equal to I j k b1 b2 b3 and c1 c2 c3, if we solve this determinant, it gives b2 c3 minus b3 c2 I kappa plus b3 c1 minus b1 c3 j kappa plus b1 c2 minus b2 c1 k kappa. means B cross C gives a resultant vector which having B2 C3 minus B3 C2 I kappa plus B3 C1 minus B1 C3 J kappa plus B1 C2 minus B2 C1 K kappa. If we take the cross product of vector A with B cross C, then determinant is equal to I J K A1 A2 A3. Now I component of B cross C vector is B2 C3 minus B3 C2. J component of B cross C vector is B3 C1 minus B1 C3, and K component of B cross C vector is B1 C2 minus B2 C1. If we substitute that and if we solve that determinant, it gives A2 into B1 C2 minus B2 C1 minus A3 in bracket B3 C1 minus B1 C3 bracket close I kappa plus A3 into B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus A1 into B1 C2 minus B2 C1 B2 C1 bracket close J kappa plus in bracket A1 into B3 C1 minus B1 C3 minus A2 into B2 C3 minus B3 C2 K kappa. Okay, means if you take the cross product of vector A with resultant B cross C gives this quantity. Now A cross B cross C is equal to A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. Now if you take the right hand side, A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. If you take the dot product of A dot C, it gives A1 C1 plus A2 C2 plus A3 C3 into vector B. Vector B is nothing but B1 I kappa B2 J kappa plus B3 K kappa minus A dot B is nothing but A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 into vector C is C1 I kappa plus C2 J kappa plus C3 K kappa. If we multiply with this vector B1 vector B and vector C inside the bracket, if we simplify it and collect I term, and if we separate the I terms and J terms individually, we get B1 into A1 C1 plus A2 C2 plus A3 C3 minus C2 into in bracket A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 bracket close I kappa plus B2 in bracket A1 C1 plus A2 C2 plus A3 C3 minus C2 into A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 J kappa plus in bracket B3 into A1 C1 plus A2 C2 plus A3 C3 minus C3 into in bracket A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 K kappa. It means what? Initially we are finding A cross B cross C and solving the determinant. Similarly, we are taking the right hand side of vector triple product and solving that equation. Finally, we get A2 in bracket A2 into B1 C2 minus B2 C1 minus A3 in bracket B3 C1 minus B1 C3 I kappa, because A2 B2 C2 from R term get cancelled. Next A2 B2 C2 also get cancelled from second term. Similarly from K term, if we cancel that term, finally we get A2 into B1 C2 minus B2 C1 minus A3 in bracket B3 C1 minus B1 C3 I kappa plus A3 in bracket B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus A1 into B1 C2 minus B2 C1 J kappa plus A1 into B3 C1 plus B1 C3 minus A2 B2 C3 minus B3 C2 K kappa. If we compare equation 1 and 2, The right hand side of equation 1 and 2 both are same. Both are same. Therefore, A cross B cross C is equal to A dot C minus A dot C into B. There is some printing mistake is there, or B is not there. That's why A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. Hence, we can show that A cross B cross C is equal to A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. It is also clear from the expression A cross B cross C is a vector in the plane of a B cross C. Now, A cross B cross C is equal to minus C cross A cross B. C cross A cross B can be written as minus remains as it is C dot B A minus C dot A into B. If you take minus sign inside the bracket, it becomes C dot A into B minus C dot B into A. A dot C B, A dot C into B minus B dot C into A. So, A cross B cross C is a vector in the plane of B and A. B and A. A cross in bracket B cross C is a vector in a B and C plane. B and C plane, where in bracket A cross B cross C is vector in B and A frame, A plane. Okay. In this way, we can prove A cross in bracket B cross C is equal to A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. The most important question for examination point of view. They will ask, show that A cross in bracket B cross C is equal to A dot C into B minus A dot B into C for 10 marks. Okay. This is all about the vector triple product. If you have any doubt with this, you can ask me in comment section. Okay. Thank you.